MustBeMad, and we are back with another interesting episode. Today we're looking at another fantastic bird. Is it an eagle? No. Is it a flamingo? No. Today we are looking at pelicans, and we are so lucky to have some right here with us today. The pelican is one of the biggest flying birds. They can weigh up to 30 pounds, which is very heavy, and they have a massive wingspan. They also have little air sacs inside the bones in their wings that help them fly. How interesting is that? Pelicans, of course, are famous for their big sack underneath their bills. People think that is where they keep their food, like a lunchbox when you go to school and you take your lunchbox. No, it's not a lunchbox. They use that bill to actually catch the fish. So what they do is they scoop up the water, and in the water they will have fish and little crayfish and all sorts of little things. They then flip their heads back and swallow all that water with their food inside. How interesting. They have short little legs, but their feet have big webs in between their toes. Look at your toes. Do you have big webs between your toes? I hope not. Pelicans use their webbed feet to swim and also to keep their eggs warm. That is interesting. Pelican babies have to be fed up to 30 times a day. Imagine if you had to eat 30 times a day. That would be crazy. Well, I absolutely love pelicans, and I just think they are the most amazing birds. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this segment of MustBeMad and that you learned a lot about pelicans. Bye everyone!